Hey guys, quick heads up. This is my very first photo walk. I'm just testing the idea, so expect a super provisional setup and some wobbly crooked footage. By the way, shoutouts to the Dreamer Design ribbon that I repurposed as a camera mount. Sorry in advance, and I promise I'll level things up next time. Welcome to Ansbach, the capital of Middle Franconia in Bavaria. Today I'm not chasing a grand story, just seeing if this format works for me and trying to catch the very first hints of autumn. We're starting right at the train station and heading towards the Hofgarten. The Hofgarten is Ansbach's historic baroque palace garden next to the former margravial residence. Think long tree-lined path and the Orangerie. It's a calm place to warm up the camera and look for some color. Not full fall colors yet, but you can feel the season turning. Edges of yellow, a little crunch underfoot. Today's focus is really the format. I want to learn how a walk like this flows. Voice over, little details, a few stills, so I'm shooting freely and letting the edit breathe. From here I'm cutting through the old town for a short loop. Ansbach's center has these narrow streets and quiet corners that are great for simple compositions. I stumble into the Zumachgärtchen, a tiny pocket garden tucked inside the old town. It's a quiet cut-through with benches and seasonal plantings, and today's sunflowers. Back on the streets, I'm mostly finding houses. Not a lot of autumn scenes here yet, but the old town is full of potential. So first takeaway. I think the walk and talk idea feels good, even if my camera setting definitely needs improvement. Next time I'll refine the route, plan a couple of anchors, and definitely bring a sturdier setup. If you enjoy this gentle test run, let me know what you would like to see on the next photo walk. More behind the scenes, or just cozy street details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.